just want to show you that I just get this one in the mail. I ordered in Amazon. So this one is the Peerless Mantles. So let's open it really quick and I show you what inside. So this is the first time I see this one too. So I just get it yesterday. So just access here. Put this on the side. Here we go. I have some receipt here. $20 for, I think, let's see. So they give me a, if I want to reorder it again, they give me some card there. Instruction: if you receive your product, please do not initiate to return through Amazon. Simply send a picture of the damaged product. We will process a replacement or refund. Thank you. So it means this one's a good seller. So I think I order 4 sets. So total of 12. In every package they have 4 pieces of number 21. And let's see if this one's made from where. So before this one's made from the USA, now it's in Gujarat, India. I think they're the same quality, so they only make it in international. And pretty much when you use this one, they said you need to use gloves to make sure they're not gonna poison you. So I give you a close-up look there. Peerless Mantle. This mantle is manufactured to be highest quality standard, rugged North American terrain. Please read this one before you use it. So totally I have 12 there. Moment of truth, if this one is work or not. That's the one they said. They give you a bright, not the yellowish one. So let's open it. This one is only 21, and they said this one is hold 20, and I google it. They said if you use the 20, as long you never touch this one, and in the bottom it works. So 20 is a little bit smaller than this one. So this one is 21. Let's see if it is fit to here. Tied it and burn it, and let's try to if this one is work. So let's put it together first. So now let's try to put this mantle. Be careful when you open this one. They said this one is poisonous. After you burn it, wash your hands. So to be sure that they're not gonna hurt you, let's open this one right now so that we put it in. So this is the first time I'm gonna see this one too. In every package they said they have 4, and it's gonna be take a while to receive it, like I think 7 days before I receive it. I get it from Amazon. They're from, so supposed to be this one, there's a mark of Peerless. Why there's no mark? So I'm not sure if this one is genuine. So but let's put it in. So in case this one they're not gonna give you white light or bright light, I'm gonna return it. So put it there. So this one is the string, and let's put it there now. So first pull it out in a middle so that you have same length, and then after that put it here. As much I can, I try to put it in the top of this burner so that it's not touching supposed to be the shield. But when you burn this one, it's gonna be shrink like a sack. And let's continue what we're doing. I already tie it and then put it another one to make it sure it's you have a good lock there. And afterwards, get your scissor and cut it. Leave some like 1/4 inch. So cut it even. 1/4 in other side too. And it's there. It's already installed. So let's see. This one is trial error. If it is work for 21, this one is not number 20 mantle. This one is a little bit bigger than the original that used on this one. So let's just burn it and go outside and try to power it. So let's burn it. Put this one in on. Now it's totally burned, so let's try to wait until the smoke is gone, go outside and burn it. So if you can see, it's already sink from here all the way like a half of the sack. Now it's time to pour it. Do a quick pour. Don't put a lot, because this one is very small punk. I think that one's enough. And be careful not to cross thread. Seal it snug. Don't force it too much to make it tight. So remove all the stuff around the lantern to make it safe. Give like 30 pumps. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's see if you heard some hissing before you start it. Yeah, I heard the hiss. Turn the knob in a full blast. Oh man. So let's see if this one, if it is give us bright light, not yellow light. So let's wait. Successful buy. Yeah, it's turned to bright. So I think the Amazon, they tell the truth that this one has chromium. So put this one really quick. This one is hot quick. Be careful not to break the glass or the globe. Put the top. I'm not gonna put the top because I don't want to. I'm scared to crack this one when you never put a right alignment. So line it up, and you have the bail on. So if you can see, it's the right is bright white, not a yellow. As soon as my 2IC, this one is bright white light, not the yellowish. And I like the pattern glass shade too. It give you not hurting your eyes when you look at it. So that's the part of the design. And after in a while, you need to clean it like this. Turn it off and on and put it in a full blast. And after that, you need to pump it again, like 10 another pump. And this one is gonna be last for at least 2 hours or less. So I think that'll be it. So it's a successful buy too. They tell the truth that the light it's bright. So that's my concern. That's why I bought that 12 pieces of mantle, but it's 3 pieces with the 4-pack each. And so I already wrap up this review. So hope you really like it. See you next time, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Thanks.